Kaunti ya Narok ni yamukirite ndawa cia muigana wa ciringi mirioni 97 mbeca iria itanyitwo kunyagio mathibitari-ini mothe maria mari icigo-ini ciothe cia ubunge iria iri kaunti-ini ya Narok. Akiamukira ndawa ici murugamiriri wa aruti a wira kaunti-ini ya Narok Weldon Rob ni atugiritie gavana wa kaunti iyo Patrick Ole Ntutu ni gutigirira ati mathibitari mothe maria mari kaunti-ini iyo matiraga ndawa.
To receive essential medicine and medical supplies from KEMSA, which is valued at 97 million shillings for this quarter. It is going to be distributed to 143 facilities across this county, and this exercise starts today and is going to take the next 5 days or 1 week.
Ihinda-ini riu Weldon Rob ni acokete akarekereria ngari cia gutwara ndawa icio mathibitari-ini akiuga ni ndawa ikuigana gutungata muingi kahinda-ini ka mieri 4 na kuhoya muingi uthie na mbere na gukorwo na mwihoko na thibitari cia thirikari kuona ndawa riu ni nyingi thibitari-ini icio.
Tell our communities that we have the medicine right now. There is no deficit. So I can assure you that today, tomorrow, or within 5 or 7 days, you will get the medicine at your respective health centers at the rural areas. But for the referral hospital here, we have already received the supplies for this hospital, Narok referral.
Rob no athiete na mbere na kuga ati mweri uyu ni makwambiriria kuoya madagitari makiria ma 200 niguo maihurie mathenya maria mariho kuona namba ya arwaru ni ambatarite uge uria unyititwo mbaru ni murugamiriri wa thibitari ino Francis Kio.
On behalf of the county government headed by the governor, we are recruiting over 200 health workers. The process has begun. We are in the process of shortlisting. And by the end of the exercise, the new facilities will be able to get their medical practitioners who are going to assist in areas where we have deficits of medical officers and nurses.
Hospitali 143 health facilities, and they'll treat all ailments that we encounter as health workers. To be specific, our top 10 causes of illness in the county start with the upper airway infections, homa, pneumonia, diarrheal diseases, all those, malaria. So these ones cover all. We order the drugs based on the patients that we see.
Hado-ini ha KEO TV, jetagwo Njoki wa Maina.